We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make a frozen fruit crisp. First, make the crisp topping. Add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of oats, old-fashioned oats, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, packed well, and 1/4 cup of nuts. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and optional spices. Mix those together real well. And then for the butter, we're going to use a 1/2 cup of butter, it's 1 stick here, and cut it into smaller pieces, little squares. And with our fingers, our clean hands, we're going to break those pieces up into the oat mixture, making little pea sizes of butter throughout the mixture. And it'll still be a little bit sandy. Now sprinkle 2 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a little bit of flavor extract, about 1 teaspoon. And mix that together really well. If you have a fruit with more liquid, like strawberries, you might want to use more of the cornstarch, up to the 4. And then the less liquid fruits, 2 tablespoons. Okay, we're gonna top our crisp with the oat topping and bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Check out the link in the description and cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.